Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is on an AeroGarden sprout unit I got on sale. Actually, my wife saw it on sale and bought it for me, which is awesome. She knows I enjoy growing with them. And I just got it, and I'll unbox it and see what we got. And I'll show, I have a seed starting tray some people were interested in, and I'll demonstrate how you can start 15 plants for outside in the springtime to go outside. Let me turn this around, some more of a better view. All right, here's the seed starting pod kit that comes with it. It has this is an herb kit. It has the basil, dill, and parsley. The Genovese basil is really good. The parsley is good. And it also comes with the domes and the plant food. So it comes with everything you need to get started. Let me see here. I don't want to drop anything. So that's the bowl. There's the setup guide, which I don't need since I've set up a million of them. There we go. Set this down for a second. I was wondering where the power plug was. I did a good job of wrapping this. It's a power plug. Here's the unit. I will set that up properly in a minute. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Nope. Okay. So I'm going to remove the plastic. So it's a very easy unit to set up. That's why I like it. If you're a new gardener, or even if you're a professional outdoor gardener, but you want to step into the world of hydroponics, this is an easy way to do it. You just need a plug and water. And it already comes with the food and the seeds already for you if you don't want to try your own. But the setup is very simple. You have this deck. I'll remove the tape. Again, I don't have fingernails. I just never like having long fingernails, so I cut them super short. My wife yells at me for it. Everybody's got their thing. I just don't like having long nails. Even though as a gardener, I notice like all of my gardener friends have long nails, and it serves them well because they can use them to like scissors, but I just never have. All right, so I removed the tape that was keeping the deck down. Now let's show you how simple the system is, how easy it works. You have the what would you call the basin that stores holds the water, and here's the pump that keeps the water circulated. That's what makes it a circulating system instead of a cracky system. A cracky system would not have the circulation. This window here lets you see where the water level is at. There's a plug right here. You just pull this through the little window here and just plug it in. And just rest it on its little base. It's kind of hard to do around I'm trying to do it around the camera, so it makes it a little bit difficult. Let's do it quick. Go faster. Me fumbling about. Alright, so that's all you do. You just plug it in back there, and this is the deck that you put the pods into, and this is where you fill up to the water line. Oops, try not to knock the camera over. And if you're wondering what this is just a hole that they allow you to, what am I doing? Oh, this wasn't snapped in. Okay, there we go. This lets you put in an fish tank air pump if you want to have even more of a circulating, oxygenating action, which I don't really find necessary in these units. You could, but if you've seen my other ones, you'll see that it's not really that big of an issue. And then you plug this into the, try not knocking everything over. You just plug it in right here. And like I said, if you got water, you got the kit, and I'll show you what's in the kit. Open that up. So inside the kit, you've got these sponges, and this blocks the light to keep the algae from coming on there. You just pop it in, and you would pop 3 in there. If you were growing something small like herbs, I don't recommend using all 3 units. If you're growing something like a little tomato or even a lettuce, I can show you in a minute how even a small 1 lettuce will take over the entire unit. And then you put your dome on there after you fill it up with water, up to the line, and grab this. You have your food, and you put 1 capful every time this light here, let me back it up so you can see it. This light here will flash red when it's time to refeed the plant. Every 14 days, you put in a capful of plant food in there, and then if you see the water levels getting low, and not below this, you just fill it with plain, hopefully distilled water. You can use filtered water. You don't want anything too chlorinated or salty, because that'll kill your plant. You don't want that. And what I do is, if I have an empty pod that I'm not using, I grab a extra cap and I place it over the holes to block the light. Now you could use a golf ball, you could use just a piece of aluminum foil, you could use some painter's tape. The idea is just to block the light. You don't have to, it's nothing that fancy or special. Put this back, because I'm not going to use this anytime soon, because I grow my own herbs. And that's another thing, you can buy either from Amazon or directly from AeroGarden. You can buy the Grow Anything kits, and you can buy just plain pods and sponges. And what I do is I will take a piece of aluminum foil and just cover it, punch a hole, stick the soil sponge in there, and then the seed, and start the unit. So you have plenty of options. All right, but what I did want to demonstrate is I have the seed starting system. It's a tongue twister, and they made this super simple. If you have like a Bounty or a Harvest model, you do have to do a little bit of disassembling of your unit and reassembling in order to use the seed starting system. They make this super simple. You just take off that deck, you drop this deck on, you put the soil sponges in each of these holes, and you have the water up to the line, and your 1 cap of plant food, and you're good to go. I did that this spring. I started 15 plants, and then I when those were tall enough to pot up, I started 15 more. And I even started marigolds and things, so I got plenty of use out of this seed starting tray. And so what I do is when I'm done with it, I clean it out, put it back in its box, and it's good to go for next time. And then when I want to grow 3 small plants or herbs, I put the tray back on. All right. Now I will show you what I mean about the, get my phone out of this thing here. What I mean about the plant can take over, why I don't use 3 pods. Oops. Let's this. See this? I took the thing from over here. All right. This is a romaine lettuce plant that I kept cutting down. I was going to get rid of it and put something else in its place, but it keeps growing lettuce like crazy, so I figured why not just let it do its thing, and I'll until it gets bitter and I don't like it, and then I'll get rid of it and grow something else. It grows super fast. This right here is the one that's in front. I let go to seed. It's producing these beautiful flowers, and I'm going to try to harvest seeds from it. Don't know if I'll be successful or not, but why not try? So that's some of the fun I have with these sprout units. Now I haven't decided what I want to grow in there. I could easily grow herbs. I could grow a small micro dwarf tomato plant. I could grow a small chili plant. But we'll see. I could grow flower in it if I wanted to, as long as it this. Oops, I forgot to show. Let me see if I can. Yeah, can't put you back on the stand, but this. Let me set you down for a moment. I'm sure you heard that ratcheting sound. That this gets to this tall. It's about 10 and a half or 11 inch high unit, so that's as tall as the plant you're going to be able to grow on it. But when you start it, oops, I should have showed that, but I didn't. But anyway, just push it down when you start so it's closer to the deck there. Alright, so that's my unboxing of my AeroGarden sprout. Any questions, feel free to ask. Be happy to help to answer as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.